Welcome to our guide on fine ceiling ideas. If you are ever looked at your ceiling and thought it could use a little something extra, you are in the right place. Choosing the perfect fan ceiling is not just about keeping cool, it's about adding style and personality to your space. In this video, we will explore a variety of fan options from classic to contemporary and show you how they can elevate your home decor game. Whether you are a fan ceiling novice or seasoned decorator, we have got tips and inspiration to help you make the most of this often overlooked design element. Why settle for a boring plain ceiling when you can turn it into a focal point? That's the question we will be answering today as we delve into the world of fan ceiling ideas. We will discuss different types of fan ceilings, considerations to keep in mind before making a choice, and creative ways to incorporate fans into your decor. By the end of this video, you will be ready to transform your space with a fan ceiling that not only keeps you comfortable but also makes a stylish statement. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonderful world of fan ceilings together. Imagine walking into a room and being immediately captivated by a striking focal point hanging from the ceiling. That's the essence of using your fan ceiling as a statement piece. Instead of opting for a conventional fan design, consider choosing one with unique features that draw attention and add personality to the space. Whether it's an intricately designed fan with ornate flares or a bold color choice that contrasts with the room's decor, a statement fan ceiling can elevate the entire ambience of the room and become conversation starter among guests. Explore the world of unconventional fan styles to discover designs that can beyond the ordinary, from sleek and futuristic to vintage and retro inspired. There's a wide range of unique fan ceiling designs to suit every taste and decor theme. Consider incorporating elements like industrial style exposed bulbs, geometric shapes, or even themed fan blades featuring intricate patterns or artwork. By thinking outside the box and opting for a fan ceiling that breaks away from traditional homes, you can infuse your space with personality and charms that reflect your individual style. In today's multifunctional living spaces, versatility is key. That's where dual purpose fan ceiling come into place. These innovative designs not only provide cooling airflow but also serve additional functions to enhance your living experience. For example, you can opt for a fan ceiling equipped with built-in speakers for immersive audio experiences, or choose one with integrated light options such as dimmable LEDs or customizable color temperatures. By selecting a fan ceiling that serves multiple purposes, you can maximize both style and functionality in your home decor. Embrace the changing seasons by incorporating seasonal themes into your fan ceiling decor. For instance, during the festive holiday season, you can adorn your fan blades with decorative ornaments or twinkling lights to create a festive atmosphere. In the spring and summer months, consider swapping out spandrel blades for one adorned with colorful floral patterns or vibrant tropical motifs to evoke a sense of warmth and relaxation. By changing up the look of your fan ceiling throughout the year, you can keep your home decor fresh and exciting while reflecting the spirit of each season. Get creative and customize your fan ceiling to perfectly complement your unique style and preferences. Explore options for custom blade finishes, from hand painted designs to intricate laser cut pattern. You can also personalize your fan ceiling by selecting custom mortar finishes, download lengths, and accessories to match the existing decor of your space. Whether you are aiming for a rustic farmhouse vibe or a sleek contemporary look, customization allows you to tailor your fan ceiling to suit your exact specifications and create a truly one of a kind focal point in your home. Don't be afraid to get hands-on and embark on DIY projects to enhance the look of your fan ceilings. Simple upgrades like painting the fan blades in a fresh coat of color or adding decorative accents such as ribbon or fabric can instantly transform the appearance of your fan and inject a dose of personality into your space. Additionally, you can explore DIY lighting options such as attaching pendant lights or installing a canopy bed frame to create a unique canopy effect around your fan. With a little creativity and ingenuity, the possibilities of DIY fan ceiling upgrades are endless, allowing you to express your individuality and style in every corner of your home.